Hey guys, today we're at Coushatta Casino, and like I said, they have so many brand new slots, so we are going to try out the Lightning 10-year Storm. And yes, Mikah won huge on it. We already showed y'all that video, so we're trying it out again, and he's doing the Wild Cougar today, so let's wish him some Cougar luck. So for all you Cougars out there, let's see if we can get us a win.
Step 1, volume.
That's
One
it.
$10 spin?
Sure, do a $10 spin.
Always do a $10 spin.
I have a feeling that's the bonus you need, the free spin feature.
One more spin?
Yeah.
No ball. Oh, well.
A little bit back. All right, let's try some dollars. $5 a spin. Dollar denom. Hoping for the big win. And this plays just like Phoenix Link. You need 3 of the bonus or 6 of these. And yes, you can play 5 lines or 10 lines when you play higher denom. Come on. Okay, a little wild action.
Yeah.
Oh, where were you? Why is there a wolf for a Cougar game, though?
That is odd, isn't it?
Yeah. The resolution is amazing, though. It is
So
such
pretty.
a beautiful game. And it's fresh, new creatures, you
Do
know?
they do anything when you touch them? Nope.
Come on. Oh, 1 off.
Wilds, but nothing.
Right?
Life's giving you just half of what you need.
All right, let's try 10-cent denom. We'll go with the 25 line, just 250, but let's go with the...
To the $5?
Yeah, let's go to the 5. I feel like betting the second bet level kind of helps sometimes. Okay. $3. Come on. Do it. Do it. Come on. We need this. That should be good.
Okay.
Double our bet. Not enough back. It thought about it.
It really did.
Let's try a different denom. Let's go with the 1 cent. $5. 50 lines, $5.
This one?
Yeah. Do 10 spins of that. See if it helps us. Double minis.
Half our bet back.
Yeah. Oh, I thought that was going to be the little free spin feature.
No, I want to see it. $250, half our bet back.
Right.
Okay.
That's a lot of mini. Do they have a wager saver is the better question. Yes, they do. Okay.
$3.
One more time. This is it. I can feel it. I did not feel it. Let's try that other one on the side. They have one more.
How much you want to put in there?
Let's try maybe 100 or 200. Whatever you feeling. And it's Golden Archers. So this is another one. Same platform, same thought process of this 10-year Lightning 10-year storm. Just a different little symbol, man. This one's the Golden Archer. This is the one Mikah wanted to play first, I think.
Yeah. No, you gotta do a $10 spin first.
Okay, do your $10 spin. Let me get that volume pumped up.
Okay, you ready?
Yep.
It almost did it.
Almost.
Oh.
It was very close.
Mm-hmm.
Very close.
So back
one
down.
more.
Okay. Nope.
Nice. C'est pas bon.
Wait.
We'll do a couple dollars, $5 spins.
That's the free spin.
Yeah, that's the free symbol. Free games. Really use those free games now.
Right? Try to catch back up.
Please be advised that at 2 o'clock we will be performing
Or is he the free games? He's the wild.
Yeah. 3 more. Oh my gosh, come on. Those wilds didn't even help.
Nope. Maybe he's the wild.
No. Come on. Do it.
Fast one?
There's your wilds. That's your... No, maybe. I don't know.
What is it? I'm so
He's got to be
confused.
the
5
wild.
lines. It's only 5
Yep,
lines.
that's... $2 back.
Last spin.
All right, let's try 10 cent or max bet 1 cent.
Can we do some 10 cent? 250.
Yeah, 250s. Yay! Finally got a bonus. So this is the bonus. That's the wild. And because we're on 10 cent, we changed it down. The minor is 500 and the mini is 100. So let's hope we collect something. Come on.
One more.
Oh.
Yay!
Yay! It's so loud.
It's so loud.
I could see why they had the volume lower. So 3 more extra spins thanks to that. Now if we could just get some balls.
Okay.
Counting at the top. Pretty darn good.
$30.
Yay! $300 minis. We're caught back up.
Let's go.
2 p.m. There will be a fire alarm for the new disruption.
Come on.
Alarms will go off at 10. Safety shows that it's only at 10. Please be advised it's only at 10.
Last spin.
Save it. Yay. $10.
You got some more words in you?
Right? Give me a word. Give me that
Anything.
minor.
Ah,
Not
that's
too
still
shabby.
good.
And we're still on the free spins, I believe. So
Yep, we have one more after this.
Not too shabby. 335 in the free spins.
Puts us
Put us
up
up
to
to
400.
400.
I
I thought we were going to get it again. Oh. It's up to 500. We threw, what, 400 into this game so far?
Mhm.
So we have a $100 profit. Yes, indeed.
Do some backup spins.
Yeah. Come on. See if we can get it again.
Here's Daniel.
Yeah,
Wanna
let's
go
change
up?
it. Yeah, you can either go up or down. Which one you want?
Dollar, but only 5.
$5, 5 lines. All right. Come on.
We're just shooting for the ball.
Shooting for those free spins. Those free spins were epic. They really were.
They weren't bad.
They had a lot of wild action up on there. Yep, $100. Come on. There we go. $2. 7. They made the wild and the free spins look so similar, it confuses me.
Yeah. It's all pretty, though. The whole
It's
game's
beautiful.
pretty. I'm calling it pretty because maybe if I'm nice to it, it'll do something. Not what I meant.
Nope.
Let's see. Do you want to go down?
Let's try those 5 of those $2, $10 spins, whatever. Yeah, there you go. Get it. Come on, I can feel it. Oof.
And one more?
Yeah, one more. Oh, I was clinching so hard on that one. Well, this has been a first look of Lightning 10-Year Storm, and as you know, Mikah won huge on it the other day, so we can't win them all, but we did do pretty darn good on it, so we had a blast on it. I really like this game. I think this is a fun one, and if you like Phoenix Link, you definitely will like this game, because it's about the same. It plays the same, except it has a major progressive on top of that. Well, this one does not, but there is a super grand chance that you can have on this game. So thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a fantastic weekend.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my gosh, one to go. Do it.
I don't even care. Dad.
Mikah, what'd you say?